say I don't love you, still I can't pretend that my heart is start just knowing that I'm losing my best friend. If it's easier said than done, then someone tell me why. Though I try, and I can't find the words to say goodbye. I could tell him that I'm sorry, and hope you understand. You don't have to do with someone else all that we have. I'd rather him hear the truth than hurt him with a lie. So I tried, but I can't find the words to say goodbye. Now I know I had to go, there's no other way. But goodbye is not what I can bring myself to say. If I told him see you later, then I might be wrong. 'Cause this voice inside is driving me to find where I belong. And I know I must leave him now, but every time I try, don't know why, but I can't find the words to say goodbye. I don't know why, but I can't find the words to say goodbye.